I'm Chef Rebecca, Culinary Supervisor for Minneapolis Public Schools Culinary and Wellness Services. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to reheat the chicken parmesan that came in your box. But first, let's wash our hands. You'll want to use warm water, soap, and scrub for 20 seconds. If there's anything we've learned in this pandemic, it's how to properly wash our hands. And use a single-use paper towel to dry off. Chicken Parmesan came in our box this week. How exciting is that? I'm just beyond words. So, we are going to bake the chicken Parmesan in a preheated oven, 325 for 12 to 15 minutes. I don't know if I'm going to be able to wait that long. Thankfully, by the magic of recording, I've already got one in the oven and ready to go. So you're going to want to let this sit for just a second to let that steam kind of settle. But then you'll peel back the plastic. It smells amazing already. It's like I'm in a restaurant. So we've got our chicken Parmesan served with a side of broccoli and dried cranberries with a juice box. We hope you enjoy your lunch. Thank you.